The packaging immediately sets a tone of understated, tech-oriented design. Inside, the presentation is neat and organized. The kit includes a long adjustable crossbody strap, a shorter wrist lanyard, a detachable wallet pouch, a metal tether ultra-thin plate, multiple metal rings and a quick-release hook, a printed instruction booklet. Each component is individually placed, and the inclusion of multiple attachment points and accessories suggests flexibility right out of the box. The instructions are clear. The setup process is very intuitive, even for first-time users. The overall build quality is one of the strongest aspects of this kit. The strap is made from tightly woven polyester, which feels both durable and slightly textured to the touch. It resists fraying and maintains its structure well, even after extended use. The stitching is consistent and reinforced at stress points, particularly near the attachment loops. The hardware, including the clips, rings, and connectors, is metal rather than plastic, which significantly enhances the perceived durability. The quick-release hook operates smoothly, with a reassuring snap when secured. The wallet pouch is compact and lightweight, constructed from a synthetic material that strikes a balance between rigidity and flexibility. Despite its small size, it accommodates essentials like cards, keys, and small accessories without feeling overstuffed. In daily use, the Peakzooc kit proves to be highly practical. Wearing the strap crossbody distributes weight evenly, making it comfortable even during long commutes or travel days. The adjustable length allows for a tailored fit, whether worn high across the chest or lower at the hip. This flexibility makes it easy to adapt the setup to different situations: travel, shopping, or everyday urban use. The pouch, while compact, is surprisingly functional. I found it ideal for carrying credit cards, cash, keys, wireless earbuds, small power bank. It effectively eliminates the need for a separate wallet in many situations. The Peakzooc phone lanyard kit is a thoughtfully designed, highly functional accessory that delivers on its promise of convenience and versatility. Its combination of durable materials, modular components, and user-friendly design makes it particularly well-suited for travel, commuting, and everyday urban use. What stands out most is the attention to detail. The ultra-thin tether tab, the robust metal hardware, and the adaptable carrying options all contribute to a product that feels refined rather than gimmicky. For users looking to simplify their daily carry while keeping their essentials secure and accessible, this kit represents a compelling and well-executed solution.